You use chatbots like ChatGPT daily, but how do these systems really work? The secret is in large language models. First, they are trained on massive amounts of data, billions of books, articles, and websites, analyzing all those words and rules. This training builds a complex neural network, learning the patterns and grammar like a supersized digital brain. When you ask a question, the AI's core job is simply predicting the most statistically probable next word in the sequence. Remember, they don't think like humans. They are advanced prediction machines, powerful but lacking real-world personal understanding.